Is that a snore or what? That one is Yo-Yo. This is Leon. Ano sila, they're keeping their distance. Wait. They're not friends.
What was that, a growler?
That Yo-Yo.
Play nice. Trying to be nice to you.
Yeah. I'm not making any. Just want to be friendly. Just want to make friends. Is that so hard to do it? Is that so hard to do it?
You'll be alright.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
You'll be alright, Yo-Yo.
At least you get some friends.
You got some growler?
A growler or what?
You need to go drop that thing.
You drop the load.
Drop that load down there. It's growling that much. Trying to tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
I want out. Stalking for the right away.